In new details tonight in the civil lawsuit against suspended Fort Hood gynecologist Major Blaine McGraw. For the first time, McGraw is responding to the allegations, filing a handwritten motion to dismiss from Bell County Jail. 6 News reporter Juliana Jackson has been covering this case from the beginning and explains why McGraw says this lawsuit should have never been filed in Bell County. Juliana?
Adrian, suspended Fort Hood OB/GYN Major Blaine McGraw is fighting back against the civil lawsuit, but not the way you might expect. In a 13-page handwritten motion filed on January 13th, McGraw isn't denying the allegations. Instead, he's arguing the entire case should be thrown out of the Bell County District Court. On January 12th, attorneys for the first plaintiff filed for a default judgment, arguing McGraw never responded to their November lawsuit by the December 15th deadline. Their motion claims McGraw was properly served through the Judge Advocate General on November 24th, and that all allegations should be deemed admitted under Texas law. But McGraw says that's not true. In 2 handwritten motions filed from the Bell County Jail, McGraw argues he was never properly served with the original lawsuit. In his motion to strike, filed January 15th, McGraw states the lawsuit was delivered to, quote, a certain JAG receptionist at an address that isn't his, and that no one in his chain of command can identify who received it. McGraw says he didn't see the original petition until it was attached to the default judgment motion, more than 2 months after it was allegedly served. McGraw filed a 13-page handwritten motion to dismiss, representing himself from the Bell County Jail. McGraw claims the alleged actions happened at a military treatment facility on federal property by a federal employee performing his duties. He says that means the case must be heard in federal court under the Federal Tort Claims Act, with the United States government as the defendant, not him personally. After McGraw filed his motion on January 15th, the judge denied plaintiff's attorney's request for a default judgment, finding they failed to file required federal paperwork. We reached out to the Cobos law firm for a response to McGraw's arguments and McGraw's attorney on the handwritten motion by their client, but have not heard back yet.
Alrighty, Juliana, thank you for covering that.